Hi everyone, welcome back. This is day number 3 of what I eat in a day. I'm doing a 7-day video series documenting everything that I eat as I get back on track with my whole food plant-based diet. And before I show you my breakfast, I wanted to show you what I did with my logo. It's a work in progress, but you can probably see it a little better if I step back. But it says Jeanette's Essence, Nourish Mind, Body, and Spirit, and then this is the icon that I created. I wanted it to be colorful, botanical, natural, earth tones, and I like it. I like it a lot. There are still some tweaks that I'm making to it, but I just couldn't resist. I had to have it printed on a t-shirt just to see what it looked like, but I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Breakfast. You guessed it, same thing as always, oatmeal with frozen blueberries, cinnamon, and I did grind up some flaxseed this morning, so I put a tablespoon of that on there. And I had some steamed mixed vegetables. It's just broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, yellow squash, and zucchini in here. So I'm going to eat the rest of that. I topped it with a little garlic salt and some nutritional yeast. And that will be breakfast. So I will see you guys back for either a snack or lunch. All right, for lunch, I am again going to have some Wegmans sushi. So they have this quinoa brown rice roll with veggies in it. And then this is a new thing I haven't seen before. These are inari parcels, and I had to look up what inari are, but they're, it's seasoned fried tofu, and it is stuffed with sushi rice and sesame seeds, I think it said. And it is vegan. So I know it's got fried tofu, but I really wanted to try this because you guys know me, I am probably gonna try to do something similar to this with baked tofu in the future. But in order to do that, I have to kind of taste the way this is made, and then I'll have an idea on how to do it my way. But that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. And I am so glad I tried these. The flavor of these was out of this world. I definitely have to try to make these myself. For dinner, Jim really wanted Chinese takeout, so I ended up getting the sesame tofu with broccoli and rice. So I had a little bit of the tofu because they gave me a ton of it, and I ended up going back for more rice and broccoli. But I also wanted some other veggies, so I sauteed some mushrooms and had those too. And then for my evening snack, I had some fresh strawberries, and that is everything I ate today. I will see you guys back tomorrow.